Alright, just making a short video on oil. There was a very strong move yesterday off support in crude and Brent, but I actually don't. I would prefer using an investing.com chart, which isn't ideal because they don't cut off a lot of prices because these are rolling contracts. Some brokers they kind of open at different prices, which leads to messed up looking candlesticks that are not accurate. But if I look at Brent, and Brent is actually usually a better indicator of uh, uh, price or the market or basically the overall than gold. It looks like Brent has broken out to the upside after finding support. You could say out of this triangle. So if this is a breakup, and the thing is, the only reason price fell was because of oil inventory news of some kind. It wasn't the normal oil inventory news, but it was something else. But if this is a real breakout, you'd expect a huge move up in oil. Just make sure that wherever you get in, on investing the comments at 50, it's in the mid 55 50s. On my broker, it's at 53. Now it's at 15, a bit higher. On other brokers, it's at 52.65. It was just a bit lower than that because it's finding support off there. But certainly the stop should be below this major prior low. So if you can, from where it is, have about a 63 cent stop, just because there's a good chance it'll fall, but very likely it'll find support below. If you want to tighten it up, you can have a stop just below these lows. But keep in mind that doing that just invites you to get briefly stopped out and turn back up. So maybe a safer step is just have a longer stop or wait for a better pullback. But if this is a breakout, you would expect a major move, and that is one strong possibility today. So watch out for that, and this may commence the big overall move of the inverse head and shoulders on the weekly charts, targeting the $70 region in crude oil. So let's see if today is the day. Yesterday's move was so strong that it does look like it was a breakout situation. The only fact that it sold down was because of news is better for a sign of where the market is at than if it just sold out without news. Okay, so I'll update as we kind of go along.